Hi, 8th class. Now we have completed this chapter 6, Revolt of 1857. Now this is time for doing the exercises and the question answer of this chapter. So just ready. So now the students, here is given the multiple choice question. The first question is given here. The new rifle which was rumored to be graced with pig fat and beef tallow fat was called. So options are there. So which one is correct? So Enfield, that is the correct option. Now the second question, the revolt of 1857 started from where? Delhi, Jhansi or Meerut? So answer is there, Meerut. In 1858 the Queen of England was कौन थी उस time? Queen Victoria, Queen Elizabeth and Queen Margaret. So option is there, Queen Victoria. This one is the correct answer. The next question, the last Mughal emperor in India was Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb and Bahadur Shah Zafar. Which one is correct? Bahadur Shah Zafar was the last emperor in India. At Lucknow, the revolt was led by who? So there are the three options. Which one is correct? Begum Hazrat Mahal. Now the sixth question, which of the following helped the British to fight against the rebels? So options are there, Gorkhas, Bakhat Khan and Tata Tope. Which one is the correct? Gorkhas. So now fill in the blanks are there. First one, Mughal Pandey was a sepoy in where? Barakpur. The next one, the rebels declared, किसको declare किया था rebels ने? As the emperor of India. So Bahadur Shah Zafar. Now the next question, the rule of East India Company ended in, कब हुआ end East India Company का? After 1857. Now the next question, next fill up, the highest position to which an Indian soldiers could rise was that of Subedar. The next one, the name of the British Queen in 1857 was Queen Victoria. Just note down everyone. So students, here is a given the 30th questions, correct the statement. आप इसको करेक्ट करेंगे कट करके. इन कानपुर रिवोल्ट अगेंस्ट ब्रिटिशर्स वॉज लेड बाय रानी लक्ष्मीबाई नहीं थी, यहाँ नाना साहिब थे. ओके. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन, द विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द रीजन the revolt of 1857. So there are given the four options. Which one is correct? So you will do yourself. Is that clear everyone? कुछ आप अपने आप से भी कीजिए, इस चैप्टर को रीड कीजिए और कुछ खुद भी कीजिए. ओके. So now the students see part of there. Explain the following term in one or two sentences. So first one is given revolt. So what is the meaning of revolt, students? So here is a given the definition of revolt. What is the definition of revolt? A renouncing of allegiances. आप या तो इसको राइट कर सकते हैं या आप ये भी राइट कर सकते हैं, a movement or expression of vigorous dissent. आप या तो फर्स्ट को राइट कीजिए या सेकंड वन को you have to write. Is that clear? Now the next one is given here, mutiny. So answer is there. So students, answer is there, mutiny. ये मिलिट्री का पार्ट था 1857 में. ओपन रेबिलियन अगेंस्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूट authority as by seamen or soldiers against their officers. You will note down. So the student, next one is given here, the C, Firangi. What is the meaning of the Firangi? Answer is there. आप यहाँ से राइट कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, a foreigner, especially a British or white person. Is that clear? आप इतना ही राइट करेंगे. Firangi means a foreigner, especially a British or white person. Just note down. The next one is given here, Chapati movement. So answer is there. So answer is there, student. The Chapati movement first came to British attention early in February 1857. ये ब्रिटिश के अटेंशन को अपनी तरफ ध्यान दिलवाने के लिए ये मूवमेंट चलाया गया था. आप सिर्फ यहाँ तक राइट करेंगे. द फर्स्ट मूवमेंट the Chapati movement first came to British attention early in February 1857. Okay. So the students, D part is there. Answer the following. Describe the following causes of the revolt of 1857. The first one is given here, political causes. So answer is there. So the answer is there, students. Lord Dalhousie policy of annexation and the doctrine of lapse had made the Indian rulers angry and insecure. The Rani of Jhansi Lakshmi Bai was not allowed to adopt a son. आप यहाँ से लिख सकते हैं पॉलिटिकल कॉज यही था कि जो उन्होंने अपने जिन राजाओं के अपने वारिस नहीं थे उनको मना कर दिया था अडॉप्ट करने के लिए. सबसे मेन रीज़न यही था और धीरे धीरे ऐसे करके इंडिया के जो मेन राज्य थे वो जो रूलर्स थे वो अंग्रेज़ों में विलीन होते जा रहे थे जितने भी राज्य थे. सो आप यहाँ से राइट कर सकते हैं लॉर्ड डलहौजी पॉलिसी ऑफ annexation एंड द डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लेप्स हैड मेड द इंडियन रूलर्स एंग्री एंड इनसिक्योर. इनसिक्योर तक आप यू कैन राइट. ओके. So the next one is given here, economic causes. So answer is there. So answer is there, student. Economic causes. The British had drained India of all her wealth and natural resources by selfish economic policies. Is that clear? Note down. The next one is given here, religious causes. So answer is there. Religious causes. Hindus and Muslims were forced into Christianity. British officers abused the name of Ram and Muhammad. आप सिर्फ इतना राइट कर सकते हैं. Hindus and Muslims were forced into Christianity. Okay, that is the religious causes. अदरवाइज़ आप यहाँ से भी नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं. द क्रिश्चियन मिशनरीज began to convert many Hindus and Muslims to Christianity. Indians felt that their religion was in danger. That was the main cause of religion. That was the religious causes. Okay. The next one is given here, the social causes. So answer is there. The social and religious reforms laws passed by the British, such as ban of sati, legalization of widow remarriage, introduction of Western education, were considered as an interference with the customs and religious practices of Indians. Okay, इसी कारण ये जो इन्होंने हमारी सोशल और रिलीजियस लाइफ को बहुत काफ़ी तरीके से इन्होंने इंटरफेयर किया यहाँ पर. तो ये मेन कारण बने रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857 के. ओके. सो द स्टूडेंट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज देयर कि व्हाट वाज द इमीडिएट कॉज ऑफ द रिवॉल्ट. इमीडिएट कॉज जो था रिवॉल्ट को होने का वो सबसे मेन क्या बना, क्या मुद्दा था. सो आंसर इज देयर. सो आंसर इज देयर स्टूडेंट्स. यू कैन राइट the immediate cause of the revolt of 1857 was the incident of the greased cartridges. The British East India Company had recently introduced the Enfield rifle. The cartridge of the new rifle had to be bitten off before loading, and the grease was reportedly made of beef and pig fat. Is that clear, everyone? So note down. So next question is there. What was the what objection did the sepoys have to the new cartridges that they were asked to use? क्या objection था जो new cartridges जो आई थी उनके लिए, जो मिलिट्री पर्सन थे उनको क्या ऑब्जेक्शन था और उन्होंने क्या बोला इस चीज़ के लिए? सो आंसर इज़ देयर. You will note down from that side, students. Objections the sepoys had to the new cartridges were: the cartridges were greased with the fat of cows and pigs. The sepoy had to use mouth to remove the covering of the cartridges. They termed the cartridges to be a violation of the religious sentiments. Okay, so write down. So the student, next question is there. Fourth question, what were the military causes of the revolt? So answer is there. So the students, military causes: immense discrimination between the Indians and the British. New recruits had to travel across the sea. It was forbidden as per Hindu belief. The Indian sepoys were deprived of high salaries and promotions. The highest post for an Indians was that of the Subedar. That were the military causes of the revolt. Is that clear, everyone? So note down. So the student, next question is there. What did the British do to protect the interest of those who converted the Christianity? So Britishers ने क्या किया? So answer is there. The following by done to protect the interest of those who converted the Christianity. So first one is there. Christian missionaries is allowed to function freely. Second one, in 1850, a new laws made conversion to Christianity easier. The third one, those who converted to Christianity were allowed to inherit the property of the ancestors. Okay, so note down, everyone. So the student, answer is there. Why did the revolt fail? Answer is there. The revolt failed due to lack of planning, organization and leadership. The unfortunate part, however, was that there were some Indians who helped Britishers suppress the revolt. Had they cooperated, the revolt might have been a success. Is that clear, everyone? Note down. Now the seventh question is there. What were the results of revolt? Revolt के result क्या रहे? So answer is there. So answer is there, students. Results of the revolt. रिवोल्ट होने के वैसे तो बहुत से रिज़ल्ट निकले बाद में, जो कि यहाँ पर मैंने आप मेन बता रही हूँ आपको. यू विल नोट डाउन. द रूल ऑफ ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी एंडेड विद क्वीन विक्टोरिया proclamations of November 1st, 1858. She assumed the title of the Empress of India. A Secretary of State for India Affairs was appointed to look after the governance of India with the help of a council. He was called Viceroy. The policy of ruthless conquest and annexation of Indian territories was given up. The Indian princes were given the assurance that their states would not be annexed and were given the right to adoption. Full religious freedom was granted to the Indians. They were also given assurance that high posts would be given to them without any discrimination. Is that clear, everyone? So the student next question is there. Creative analysis and evaluation based questions. The first one is given here. Why did the educated people and intellectuals not join the revolt? सिर्फ एजुकेटेड पीपल और जो इंटेलेक्चुअल थे, जो इसमें बिलीव करते थे, उन्होंने इस रिवोल्ट को ज्वाइन करने से क्यों मना किया और वो इसमें शामिल क्यों ना हुए? उनकी क्या सोच थी इस चीज़ के पीछे? सो आंसर इज़ देयर स्टूडेंट्स. You will note down. The educated Indians wanted to end the backwardness of the country. They mistakenly believed that the British rule would help them accomplish this task of modernization, while rebel, led by old rulers and chieftains and the other feudal elements, would take the country backwards. That is why modern educated Indians did not support to take part of in revolt of 1857. So that were the main answer. Note down students. The next one is given here. Why did some of the rulers not join the revolt? So answer is there. So students, this questions you have to do yourself. आप इस चैप्टर को रीड करें और यहाँ पर सोचें और समझें कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ कि रूलर्स ने इस रिवॉल्ट को ज्वाइन नहीं